Tuesday morning of a holiday week means some of you are still into the routine, still going to work. Some of you may be off. We're going to take care of you no matter what your plans are. We post this early in the morning, but you may watch it almost any time here. So we want to cover you over the course of the next 24 hours. Warmth and humidity is going to lead to more showers and storms to develop today. We think the strongest stuff will be around during the afternoon to the early evening hours. Wednesday, a great day, a great evening. So in other words, when it comes to fireworks, Wednesday evening looks like actually the best bet overall. But Thursday and Friday, we're not super concerned. There'll be showers around on both of those days, but it looks like a lot of that action is going to be driven during the day by the heating of the sun, which means the sun goes down, the showers start to dwindle, and things at least look more promising at fireworks time on both days. So dew point temperature today is crazy. We're back up into the 70s again on dew point to measure the amount of moisture in the air. It absolutely feels tropical again, with showers ongoing right now in spots and coming back later. Best thing to do, use our app, totally free, 5 stars. Everybody's loving it. Go to the radar tab. Make sure you're in past plus future mode. That'll show you where things have been, where they are, and where they're going. Where they're going over the course of this morning into the midday is they're moving on for a bit. It's a warm front coming through this morning, but notice as a cold front begins to approach from the north and west, what do? You touch off new downpours, showers, and thunderstorms as we head to the midday, coming in through northwestern and far western New England. As we head to the middle afternoon, interesting, we might get 2 rounds today across some parts of central and southern New England. 1 round during the mid-afternoon, the next round as we get into the evening. Now, if you get a stronger round in the mid-afternoon, that leaves less energy for the evening, and they wouldn't be as strong, but there'd still be showers around, which is why we say fireworks time really doesn't look great for tonight regardless, no matter how you cut it. And you can see that as we go out toward 9 p.m. If you get weaker thunderstorms in the afternoon, that leaves a little bit more untouched heat and humidity, so those evening storms would be stronger. But you do have those 2 windows, mid-afternoon, and again as we get to the evening, particularly between about 6 and 10 p.m. across the board. And then tomorrow morning, maybe a leftover shower in southeastern New England early, 8 o'clock in the morning, and maybe one here and there. Mostly it goes away, and you actually get a really good day tomorrow with tomorrow evening looking excellent for fireworks. So heat index today is up into the 90s, and even if the temperature doesn't quite get there, and many of us will come pretty close, the humidity is what, of course, pushes it over in terms of what it's going to feel like, right? Admittedly, when you get a little bit of an increasing southerly wind, the Cape, the island's going to be cooler than everybody else, but most of us make that run toward 90 degrees. Again, watching for 1 round of thunder as we looked at midday in western and northwestern New England, middle afternoon for the rest of us, and then watching that second chance as we get into the evening. Notice the high temperatures. The farther north you go, do drop off a little bit. It's still sticky for everybody, but you might not get past 80 in Colebrook today. Pittsburgh, New Hampshire, in the northern tip of the Granite State may not get past about 78 degrees. And just the reason is there's more cloud cover, more in the way of showers earlier on for you. And finally, when you make your way across, let's say, the Maine coastline, you've got that southerly wind. It keeps you cool. But the farther north you go, Fort Kent still makes it to about 82. Overnight tonight, we're going to stay fairly muggy, although the cold front does come through. So we start very slowly the feed of new air. If you love to dig into the weather, you might want to become a member. Membership.onedegreeoutside.com, all different tiers. If you go to this website, you can check it out. See if one is right for you. And, of course, we hope it is. That's how it looks for now. Look forward to seeing you with insights later on today as we continue to look out toward the holiday and beyond.